Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Playland Family. Which country hosted the 2023 G20 Summit? Answer: India. India hosted the G20 Summit in 2023, focusing on issues such as global economic growth, international trade, and financial market regulation. Who won the 2023 Nobel Peace Prize? Answer: Narges Mohammadi. Narges Mohammadi, an Iranian human rights activist, was awarded the 2023 Nobel Peace Prize for her efforts in advocating for women's rights and human rights in Iran. What is the name of the mission NASA launched in 2023 to study the asteroid Psyche? Answer: Psyche mission. NASA's Psyche mission was launched in 2023 to explore the metal-rich asteroid Psyche, aiming to provide insights into the building blocks of planet formation. Which country won the 2023 ICC Cricket World Cup? Answer: India. India won the 2023 ICC Cricket World Cup, held in India, showcasing their strong performance in international cricket. Who became the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom in 2023? Answer: Rishi Sunak. Rishi Sunak succeeded Boris Johnson as the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom in 2023, marking a significant political change. Which tech company acquired Twitter in 2023? Answer: Elon Musk's X Holdings. Elon Musk, through his company X Holdings, completed the acquisition of Twitter in 2023, leading to several changes in the platform's operations and policies. What is the name of the hurricane that caused significant damage in Florida in 2023? Answer: Hurricane Ian. Hurricane Ian hit Florida in 2023, causing extensive damage and prompting widespread emergency responses. Which city hosted the 2023 Summer Universiade? Answer: Chengdu, China. Chengdu, China, hosted the 2023 Summer Universiade, an international multi-sport event for university athletes. Who won the 2023 Booker Prize for Fiction? Answer: Shehan Karunatilka. Shehan Karunatilka won the 2023 Booker Prize for his novel, The Seven Moons of Mali Almeida, recognized for its compelling narrative and literary excellence. What major environmental disaster occurred in the Amazon rainforest in 2023? Answer: severe wildfires. The Amazon rainforest experienced severe wildfires in 2023, resulting in significant loss of biodiversity and highlighting the ongoing issues of deforestation and climate change. Which space agency successfully landed a rover on the Moon's south pole in 2023? Answer: ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. ISRO successfully landed the Chandrayaan-3 rover on the Moon's south pole in 2023, marking a milestone in India's space exploration efforts. Who won the 2023 US Open men's singles title in tennis? Answer: Novak Djokovic. Novak Djokovic won the 2023 US Open men's singles title, adding another Grand Slam victory to his illustrious career. Which country experienced a military coup in 2023? Answer: Niger. Niger experienced a military coup in 2023, leading to significant political instability and international concerns. What was the significant outcome of COP28 held in 2023? Answer: Agreement on Global Carbon Markets. COP28 resulted in a landmark agreement on global carbon markets, aimed at reducing greenhouse gas emissions and addressing climate change more effectively. Who was appointed as the new Secretary General of the United Nations in 2023? Answer: Antonio Guterres. Antonio Guterres was reappointed for a second term as the Secretary General of the United Nations in 2023. Continuing his leadership in international diplomacy and peacekeeping. Which country became the first to legalize Bitcoin as legal tender in 2023? Answer: El Salvador. El Salvador became the first country to legalize Bitcoin as legal tender in 2023, aiming to promote financial inclusion and economic growth. What significant tech regulation did the European Union implement in 2023? Answer: Digital Services Act, DSA. The European Union implemented the Digital Services Act, DSA, in 2023, aiming to increase accountability and transparency for online platforms and protect users' rights. Country won the 2023 Rugby World Cup. Answer: South Africa. South Africa won the 2023 Rugby World Cup, showcasing their dominance in the sport and solidifying their status as a rugby powerhouse. Which major social media platform introduced a paid subscription model in 2023? Answer: Instagram. Instagram introduced a paid subscription model in 2023, offering exclusive content and features to subscribers as part of its monetization strategy. What significant discovery was made by astronomers in 2023? Answer: a potentially habitable exoplanet. Astronomers discovered a potentially habitable exoplanet in 2023, located in the habitable zone of a nearby star, sparking interest in the search for extraterrestrial life. Which country launched the world's first digital central bank currency in 2023? Answer: China. China launched the world's first digital central bank currency, the digital yuan, in 2023, pioneering digital currency innovations and influencing global financial systems. What was the theme of World Environment Day 2023? Answer: Beat plastic pollution. The theme for World Environment Day 2023 was Beat Plastic Pollution, focusing on reducing plastic waste and promoting sustainable practices globally. Who won the 2023 Women's World Chess Championship? Answer: Zhou Wenjun. Zhou Wenjun from China won the 2023 Women's World Chess Championship, defending her title and continuing her reign as one of the top female chess players in the world. Which country passed a landmark law for same-sex marriage in 2023? Answer: Japan. Japan passed a landmark law for same-sex marriage in 2023, marking a significant step forward for LGBTQ+ rights in Asia. What major health breakthrough was announced by scientists in 2023? Answer: a universal flu vaccine. Scientists announced the development of a universal flu vaccine in 2023, capable of providing broader and longer-lasting protection against various strains of the flu virus. Which city hosted the 2023 World Economic Forum? Answer: Davos, Switzerland. The 2023 World Economic Forum was held in Davos, Switzerland, where global leaders discussed pressing economic and social issues. Who was awarded the 2023 Pritzker Architecture Prize? Answer: David Adjaye. David Adjaye, a renowned Ghanaian-British architect, was awarded the 2023 Pritzker Architecture Prize for his innovative and impactful designs. What significant policy did the US implement regarding climate change in 2023? Rejoining the Paris Agreement. The US rejoined the Paris Agreement in 2023, reaffirming its commitment to addressing climate change and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Who won the 2023 Women's Tennis Association (WTA) finals? Answer: Iga Swiatek. Iga Swiatek from Poland won the 2023 WTA finals, capping off a successful tennis season with a prestigious victory. Which country successfully tested a hypersonic missile in 2023? Answer: Russia. Russia successfully tested a hypersonic missile in 2023, demonstrating advanced military capabilities and raising global security concerns. What was the main topic of the 2023 World Health Assembly? Answer: Pandemic Preparedness and Response. The 2023 World Health Assembly focused on pandemic preparedness and response, discussing strategies to improve global health security and resilience. Which automobile company announced a complete transition to electric vehicles by 2030? Answer: Toyota. Toyota announced its plan to transition to producing only electric vehicles by 2030, aligning with global efforts to reduce carbon emissions and combat climate change. What is the name of the first private space station set to launch in 2023? Answer: Axiom Station. Axiom Station, the first private space station, was set to launch in 2023, aiming to provide commercial opportunities in low Earth orbit. Which country held the presidency of the European Union in the first half of 2023? Answer: Sweden. Sweden held the presidency of the European Union in the first half of 2023, playing a crucial role in steering the EU's agenda and policies. Who won the 2023 Pulitzer Prize for Fiction? Answer: Hernan Diaz. Hernan Diaz won the 2023 Pulitzer Prize for Fiction for his novel Trust, recognized for its literary excellence and profound storytelling. Please subscribe my channel.